Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Welcome to this beautiful place on this beautiful day. Andoni and Sara come here to be joined in marriage, and we are here to celebrate with you. We are here because we love you. We are here because we love seeing how happy you make each other. We are delighted to be a part of this momentous day. This is not the day that you fell in love with each other. This is not the day that you make a commitment to each other. This is the day that we make it official. This is the day that you share vows with each other and that all of us are here as joyful witnesses. Today you commit yourselves and you share all that you have and all that you are. You share tears and laughter, triumphs and defeats, fears and hopes, family and friends. Marriage is not a casual arrangement. It is a sacred promise, and it is a celebration of all the mystery and wonder that real love brings to living. And Sara and Andoni, you honor us by including us in this day.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
He never leaves the seat up or wet towels upon the floor. The toothpaste has the lid on, and he always shuts the door. She's very clean and tidy, though she may sometimes delude. Leave your things out at your peril. In a second, they'll have moved. He's a very active person, as are all his next of kin. Whereas she likes lazy days, he'll still drag her to the gym. She says she loves his kindness, and his patience is a must. And of course, she thinks he's handsome, which in her eyes is a plus. They're both not wholly perfect, but who are we to judge? He can be pig-headed, whereas she won't even budge. All that said and done, they love the time they've spent together. And I hope, as I'm sure you do, that this fine day will last forever. He'll be more than just her husband, he'll also be her friend. And she'll be more than just his wife, she'll be his soulmate till the end.
Andoni, on our first date, I jokingly told my family that I met the man I'm probably going to marry. They asked why. I told them because he has red hair. They laughed. As I stand before you today, I was right. I promise to stay silly, laugh at your jokes, and stay playful enough to always play tag with you on the lawn. I will also promise to watch every episode of The Simpsons until I know it as well as you. I promise to be by your side, comfort you in times of sorrow and sickness. I promise to inspire you and encourage you and to love you with all my heart. I can't wait to travel with you and continue our journey through life. I love you with all my heart.
Sarah Jane Alexandra, see, I love you. From the first moment I saw you, it was love at first sight. I remember one of our first dates at Shaboom, when we stayed up until 2 a.m. dancing. I learned that you are a phenomenal dancer and enjoyed it as much as I do. I learned that you love to laugh, love margaritas, and always look out for other people. I vow to cherish every moment as we experience more together. I vow to love you forever, even when we have arguments, because we always come to an agreement and forgive each other. I vow to protect you from harm in all sorts of ways. With the love from our family and friends and the Spirit of the Lord, I know that you and I will live a fulfilling life together. You are the woman of my dreams and always will be. I love you, Sarah.
I'm Nick, Andoni's brother, and now officially Sarah's brother-in-law. And it's been said, but it really is crazy how good they are together, and they're just perfect for each other.
When they first started dating, we knew that this moment was coming because he had the red hair. It's been mentioned before, but this is kind of an unspoken family rule in our house. Watching them today, sitting together, and seeing them look eye to eye, it's obvious that they were made for each other.
Our bride, my daughter, could not look more radiant today.
Look absolutely gorgeous.
More than anyone in our family, Sarah has always been the one that knows how to enjoy the moment. She is our optimist, our glass half full girl, and the one always ready with a warm hug when you need it most.
Angie and I are so excited to welcome Sarah into our lives. We could not wish for a more wonderful daughter-in-law. To Andoni and Sarah, to a future together full of passion, playfulness, love, and joy.
Andoni and Sarah, I invite you to share your first kiss together as husband and wife.